I thought it was funny. I thought it was interesting.
That's self-described civil rights attorney and San Diego Judicial candidate Sean McMillan talking about his sharing of a post by the Minuteman militia. It contains photos of Monica Lewinsky, former NFL player Colin Kaepernick, and California Senator Kamala Harris, along with the message, "When nobody knew who you were until you got on your knees." He says he shares these missives to spark a conversation, and he adds they don't always reflect his views. But what about the meme of Lewinsky, Kaepernick, and Senator Harris? McMillan references Harris's one-time romance with former San Francisco Mayor Willie Brown.
You heard the news and the stories and all the stuff bandied about her and Willie Brown and all that stuff, right?
Okay, but you understand how that might come across as sexist.
I totally do. I get it. And had I known that I would do this, I might have been like all the other candidates and kept all my views secret, hidden from everybody. So you're all guessing what I really think.
But McMillan says he didn't know he would be running for judge, so he continued to share his views, unfiltered, like his reposting of a message by pjmedia.com that said, quote, "To reduce gun violence, arm all Americans."
I own guns.
You own?
I absolutely own guns.
Okay.
And if you look at Heller, that's the lead case out of the Supreme Court, it is a fundamental individual right, for sure.
On the issue of gender identity, McMillan shared a message showing $2 bills and the script, quote, "If I had $1 for every gender there is, I'd have $2 and a bunch of counterfeits."
Well, I mean, it's a mechanical issue, right? Realistically. It's a mechanical issue. How many genders are there?
McMillan also shared this message, quote, "Stop all welfare to illegal aliens and they'll deport themselves." But McMillan says that doesn't mean he's anti-immigrant.
All right, my wife is an immigrant. My sister-in-law is from Mexico. She's an immigrant. And they're all legal immigrants.
McMillan also shared a post stating, quote, "I was asked, are you happy with a racist president? I said, absolutely not. We replaced him with Donald Trump." He says that post still resonates with him.
You know, that's my view. I think that Obama did more things to create division, cultural division in our country than he did to heal.
When asked whether Trump's references to African nations as shithole countries and his characterization of a 2017 white supremacist rally and counter-rally in Charlottesville, Virginia, as having very fine people on both sides were healing, McMillan said he was unaware of those comments.
I swim in a very small pond, and generally speaking, I don't really see what's going on out in the world.
The San Diego County Bar Association has labeled McMillan as lacking qualifications to be a judge. Kamal Martin, political action chair of the San Diego branch of the NAACP, agreed. He slammed McMillan's posts.
Disgusting, absolutely reprehensible and abhorrent. And we will not allow people like this to fly below the radar and receive the votes of not just people from our community, but anyone's community.
But Martin added he applauded McMillan's candor. Amita Sharma, KPBS News.